Welcome back to this channel. So today I'm going to show you how to solve your Snapchat wake up is not loading or is very slow. How do you go about it? Let me show you what I'm talking about. Your Snapchat wake up is loading, is not loading, and you wanted to get it. So how do you go about it? So what you need to do is the first thing you need to do is go to your Play Store. You go to your Play Store to go and search if there is a new update Snapchat for you to go and update it. So the first thing to do is go to your Play Store and go and search for your Snapchat if there is a new update of your Snapchat. Let's say Snapchat, okay, and you can see there's not any update here, so that means my Snapchat is update as opposed to get the wake ups very good. You can see it. So what you need to do is another thing you can do is go to your settings. Go to your phone settings. If you go to your phone settings for iPhone user, there's one thing you can do for on your app. Just go to your app, okay, your app management. Once you go to your app management, go to your app management and go and find your Snapchat. Okay, so this is it. Go to your app list and go and find your Snapchat. Let's find our Snapchat. Your Snapchat 2024 recap is not loading. This is the process you need to do to get it very fast and update. So we're going to open our Snapchat. For iPhone user, you can just go there and go and uninstall. So I can also do this if this one is not moving fast. I'll just have to uninstall your Snapchat, and you just have to uninstall your Snapchat and reinstall again. So I'll just click on uninstall. If I click on uninstall, you can see it's going to uninstall, and I'm going to install it back for me to fix it. And you can also check your data. If your data connection is good, I believe with all this you'll be able to get your 2024 recap very fast. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.